Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Monday.com automations with logs, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify Monday.com automations with logs, begin by logging into your Monday.com account. Navigate to the board where your automation is set up. Look for the Automations button located at the top of the board. Click on the Automations button to access the Automation Center. Here, you'll see a list of all automations currently in use on your board. Identify the specific automation you want to verify. Click on the three dots beside the automation name to open additional options. Select View Log from the drop-down menu. This will open the automation logs related to the selected automation. Analyze the logs for any entries that indicate errors or issues. Look for timestamps to understand when each automation was triggered. Check the details provided for each log entry. Focus on notes regarding successful actions and any errors that may have occurred. If there are errors, take note of the error codes or messages provided. Refer to Monday.com's documentation for clarification on any error codes. You can also cross-reference these logs with your board's activities. Confirm that the triggers for the automation align with the actions taken. Make any necessary adjustments to the automation settings if issues are identified. Rerun the automation after making adjustments. Return to the logs to check for any new entries. Ensure that the logs now reflect successful executions as intended. If issues persist, consider reaching out to Monday.com support for further assistance. Regularly review your automation logs to maintain optimal performance. By following these steps, you can effectively verify your Monday.com automations using logs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.